ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। We are in 18th chapter, Sanskrit Vakyas. Fifth one onwards we have to see, right? We have done up to fourth.
From fourth you have to see.
Okay, fourth we have to see.
Fourth, from fourth.
Okay, okay. Prabhaji, fourth one.
एक शिष्य और एक लड़की को ये पुस्तकें दो। एकः शिष्यः so do I say ekah again, right? Eka balika. So but sorry, just a minute. Dadati, so fourth vibhakti. Ekah ekasya not ekasya ekasmai ekasmai shishyai
Shishyaya.
This will be for the ladki. The shishya I thought was a boy, student, right?
Yes. Shishyaya, right? Which vibhakti you said?
Chaturthi.
What is the Chaturthi vibhakti?
Shishyaha will be shish. Okay.
Shishya is Akaranta Pullinga.
Yeah.
Akaranta Pullinga Shabda
Ramaya,
is
right.
Shabda.
So ekaya ekasmai shishyaya ekasya. Will it be what will it be for balikaya? Balikaya. So
Balikayai.
Balikayai. So what will the eka for that be?
Ekasyai balikayai.
Okay. Ekasyai balikayai cha pustakani dadatu. There are two of them, so no, dadatu.
Dadatu is which Purusha? Pratham Purusha, Madhyam Purusha, Uttam Purusha?
Dadatu will be Prathama Purusha.
Here, Here, which Purusha should come?
There is the karta is not there, right? Give this book to a boy and a girl. Give these books, sorry.
When we say give these books, to whom we are saying? Second person or third person?
Oh, okay, that way. I thought Bhavan, oh, Dadatu generally will be for someone younger than you. So, Tvam. Would be Datta. I'm sorry.
Dehi.
Dehi. Okay.
Can you repeat the sentence again?
Okay. Ekasmai Shishyaya
Ekasyai
Balikayai Cha Etani ye hai. Okay. Etani pustakani dad
Dehi.
Sorry.
Dehi. Yes. Shivananji. Next one.
एक बालक और एक बालिका की पुस्तकें यहाँ है, षष्ठी विभक्ति. सो एकस्य एकस्य बालकस्य एकस्य बालिका षष्ठी विभक्ति.
Yes, yes.
पुस्तके अत्र.
Both should be in Shashti, right? Ek balaka and ek balika. Both should be in Shashti, right?
Okay. So it will be balikayaha. Correct now?
Yes. Sarvanama Shabda is what?
Sarvanama Shabda is balika only.
Eka is the Sarvanama Shabda, right? Eka Vibhakti should be what?
Shashti. Ekasya.
Ekasyaha.
Okay. Ekasyaha. पुस्तके अत्र सन्ति.
Pustake. Is it Dvivachanam or Bahuvachanam?
It is Dvivachana.
Pustake is Bahuvachanam. Pustake is not saying that ek balaka and ek balika. Pustaka, books are many, right?
Books are many. Bahuvachana.
Bahuvachanam. So, what is the vibhakti?
Vibhakti.
Pustakam vibhakti should be what there?
Pustakam should be Dvitiya vibhakti then. This is not thorough.
Vachana, sorry, Vachana.
It should be Bahuvachana.
Prathama Bahuvachanam, not Dvitiya. Prathama Bahuvachanam. Can you repeat the sentence again?
एकस्य बालिकायाः पुस्तके अत्र सन्ति.
Can you repeat again? In between there was not clear.
एकस्य बालकस्य एकस्य बालिकायाः
एकस्याः बालिकायाः
एकस्याः बालिकायाः पुस्तके what
और is there na cha
correct
cha pustakani.
Okay. पुस्तकानि अत्र सन्ति.
Yes. Next, Uma Amma.
एक विद्यालय में मैं पढ़ता हूँ और एक पाठशाला में वह पढ़ती है. एके विद्यालये अहं पठामि. एकां पाठशालायां सा पठति.
Eka is Sarvanama Shabda. Right? What is the
Saptami? Yeah, that I don't know. That's why. Ekasmin.
Goes like Sarva Shabda. Sarva Shabda, Sarvasmin.
So it is always in Pullinga or is it always in one?
Pullinga, then if it is, then it is Ekasmin.
Okay.
If it is Strilinga, Ekasyam.
Okay. So Ekasyam, yeah, I said Eka instead. Yeah. Okay. So let me repeat. Ekasmin vidyalaye aham pathami. How do you say and? I don't know.
Cha.
Okay, cha can come in between, right? Cha.
At the end. No, cha can come at the end.
End. Okay. Ekasyam pathashalayam sa pathati cha.
Okay. Ekasmin vidyalaye aham. What is the Kriya Pada that you said?
I said pathami, but I don't know if that is correct.
Patami. If we use the E in Gatau Dhatu, not in Gatau Dhatu, E Dhatu Adhite can come. In this chapter that E Dhatu came, E Dhatu is the meaning Adhyayana. Not in this chapter, maybe earlier chapter. Adhi upasarga purvak E dhatu adhite. If it is Uttam Purusha adhite, Pratham Purusha adhite. If it is Uttam Purusha adhiye.
So we say aham adhiye instead of aham pami.
Yes.
Okay. And both are correct, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Both are correct.
Thank you.
Then next one, Upendra ji.
Riyamma.
Seventh one.
तुम सारी विद्याओं के एकमात्र पात्र हो. पात्र आस्पद स्थान पद भाजन।
हम्म,
इसको अनुवाद के लिए सूत्र लगेगा। विधेय के रूप में आने वाले शब्दों को नपुंसक लिंग में एक वचन में प्रयोग होता है। अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस सूत्र, दिस शब्द, तुम, त्वम, तुम सारी विद्याओं के द्वितीय विभक्ति सर्वासाम विद्यानाम सर्वासाम विद्यानाम एकमात्रम अशी।
what is क्रियापदम?
अशी, त्वमसि।
what did you say for सारी विद्याओं के?
सारी, ये षष्ठी विद्यानाम षष्ठी, इसलिए सर्व शब्द षष्ठी। विद्या स्त्रीलिंग होने से विशेषण स्त्रीलिंग सर्व शब्द को सर्वासाम हुआ। त्वं सर्वासाम विद्यानाम एकमात्रम पात्रम असी। Am I right, Mataji?
1 minute.
पात्रम नपुंसक एकवचन, आस्पदम पात्रम, स्थानम पदम, भाजनम असि, वा असि। त्वं सर्वासां विद्यानां एकमात्रं पात्रं, आस्पदं, स्थानं, पदं, भाजनं वा असि।
1 minute. The सारी विद्याओं के, it could be द्वितीया। त्वं सर्वाः विद्याः एकमात्रं पात्रम् असि। द्वितीय बहुवचनम्।
अच्छा, then according to कर्म, this विभक्ति सप्तमी के लेना है ना। कर्ता ने कर्म को, ऐसा पहले आता है ना नियम। कर्ता ने कर्म को करण से,
I don't know.
This Hindi vibhakti,
which page it is there?
It was in Rachananvad Kaumudiyam.
On which page it is there?
It is in the first.
I saw 4th page, Mrs. कर्म को।
That you take कर्म के लिए को प्रयोग करना है।
Okay.
Then
okay. It is Chashti. Then next one, Vijayaji.
So is this where we apply niyama 81, it said Patra, Aspada, Sthana, Pada, and Videya is used in Napunsakalinga, and it is Ekavachanam.
Ekamatram, Patram, both are used in Napumsakalinga Ekavachanam.
Okay, so, and the rest of it is just Bahuvachanam, that Sarvaha, Vidyaha, as you said, right?
Yes.
Okay. So where is Dvivachanam? I'm sorry, I missed that.
When we translate this into Telugu, it becomes Dvivachan. So in Hindi, it is showing Shashti.
Oh, okay.
And I just saw on 4th page, this in Hindi, K is given as Shashti, but the Vakya in Telugu is in Dvitiya.
Okay, understood. Thank you.
Sorry for that. Okay, next, Vijaya ji.
आप विद्या में प्रमाण है भवान विद्ये
Wait, 8th one.
8th one तुम सारे ज्ञानों के स्थान हो त्वं सर्वनाम तुम सर्वनाम ज्ञानानाम
Sarvanam means what?
सारे means सर्वनाम
Sarvasam.
सर्वासाम ओके त्वं सर्वासाम ज्ञानानाम
Sorry, Sarvasam is Strilinga, not Pullinga, not Napumsakalinga. Sarvesham. Sarvesham Jnananam.
त्वं सर्वेषां ज्ञानानां पात्रम् अस्ति
Asi.
Okay, asi.
Can you repeat the sentence again?
त्वं सर्वेषां ज्ञानानां पात्रम् असि
Next. प्रभा जी.
आप विद्या के प्रमाण हैं भवतः विद्या में प्रमाण है सॉरी सो इन विद्या विद्यायां प्रमाणम अस्ति भवान विद्यायां प्रमाणम अस्ति
Hai is plural, right?
that hai is out of respect because aap is singular.
Okay. If it is plural,
also it will be hai. It will be aap log. Generally they'll not just say aap, they'll say aap log.
Okay. Okay, can you
but
repeat
if
the
it
one?
was plural then it will be santi, then it will be bhava. Bhavan will become I've forgotten.
Bhavantah.
Bhavantah, right. Bhavantah vidyayam pramanam santi.
Okay. Next, Shivanand ji.
यहाँ पर 5 बर्तन है अत्र पञ्च पात्राणि सन्ति.
You are looking at book.
अम्मा?
Are you looking book?
हाँ, I have book. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
यहाँ पर 10. No, this is very small. So my problem. That's why I don't know.
Yes. It is good. हाँ, can you repeat the वाक्य?
यहाँ पर 10 बर्तन हैं. अत्र अत्र 10 दश पात्राणि सन्ति.
Yes.
Okay.
If it is panch,
पंच.
panchapatrani. Next, Uma amma.
वह स्पर्धा करेगा. सः स्पर्धां करोति.
Spardh is the dhatu.
This is a dhatu. Okay. स्पर्धिष्यति or some स्पर्धिष्यति.
It is atmanepadi dhatu.
स्पर्धिष्यते. I don't remember.
Yes. Spardhishyate.
स्पर्धिष्यते. सः स्पर्धिष्यते.
Yes. Next, Upendra ji. Next one.
हरि अम्मा. वह शंका करेगा. वह सह शंकिष्यते.
Yes.
सह शंकिष्यते.
Yes. Next, Vijaya ji.
तू चेष्टा करेगा. त्वं चेष्टिष्यते.
Tvam
चेष्टिष्यते.
cheshtishyase.
Okay. चेष्टिष्यसे.
Next, Prabha ji.
विद्या धर्म के लिए होगी. Oh, they are doing krip dhatu. Okay. So kalpa. Okay. Vidya dharmasya would we say kalpya. विद्या धर्म के लिए होगी. So it's future tense. So it will be kalpishyate. Is that correct?
1 minute. Is it future tense?
Hogi. So yeah.
Okay. Yes, kalpishyate. But dharma, which vibhakti is it?
धर्म के लिए, so ओ धर्माय, vidya dharmaya, but usually dadati and all only have that, right? For kalpa, would it be fourth?
It can be any dhatu.
Okay, so vidya dharmaya kalpishyate.
Yes.
सप्तमी राधा धर्मे
No. విద్య ధర్మం కోసం ఉంది. కోసం చతుర్థి. నెక్స్ట్ శివానంద్.
चोर भाग जाएगा. चोरः पलायते.
जाएगा is which lakara?
Future tense.
What will be the form?
Lut.
Lut.
Lut, correct. Lut. Pala. Just a minute. Lut will be what it will be? Palaishyate. Palaishyate. Okay.
Next Uma Amma.
सूर्य एक बार फिर चमकेगा. सूर्य एकधा पुनः द्योतिष्यते. एक बार is, I forgot, is it एकधा or
अल्प प्राणदा or महाप्राणदा?
महाप्राण applying संख्या या विधार्थे धा. एक बार.
No, here एक बार is अल्प प्राणदा.
Oh, ekada.
That
means alone.
एक बार one time.
One time I thought was Mahaprana and Alpa Prana is for alone. Maybe I got it wrong.
एकवारं
वारम लगता है. Yes, बार अर्थ में.
Also ekada also. If you see fifth line of that Shabda Rupa and
one ekadar is ek baar. You're right. Okay. So ekadha is what? What does it mean?
Ekadha is one kind of, like many methods are there. If you want to say one method in that.
Right. So that that sixth line has the meaning, no? Ek prakar se ekadha.
Yes.
Thank you. Yes. Okay. So Suryaha ekada punaha jyotishyate.
Next, Upendra ji.
हरि ओम. शिष्य कांपेगा. शिष्य कांपेगा. कांपेगा लुट लकार. कांपु धातु वेप धातु. शिष्य वेपिष्यते. शिष्यः वेपिष्यते.
नेक्स्ट विजया जी. Prabha ji,
लड़की लज
is there any question?
No, I thought it was my turn.
Okay.
लड़की लज्जित होगी. बालिका त्रयिष्यते.
त्रपिष्यते.
Okay, त्रपिष्यते.
Ladiki, we can take Kanya.
कन्या त्रपिष्यते.
Next, Prabha ji.
वह सेवा करेगा, विद्या सीखेगा, वंदना करेगा, भिक्षा मांगेगा, प्रसन्न रहेगा और बढ़ेगा. सः सेविष्यते, विद्यां प्राप्नोति. What will be?
शिक्षिष्यते.
शिक्षिष्यते. Okay. विद्यां शिक्षिष्यते. वंदना करेगा, वंदनां कुरुते.
Vand is
no.
the
Sorry. Oh, Vand is the Pratipadikam.
dhatu.
Sorry, yeah. Vandishyate.
Yes.
Vandishyate. Bhiksha. What would be for
Yachishyate.
Yachish? Okay. Bhiksham yachishyate. प्रसन्न रहता है और रहेगा और बढ़ेगा.
मोदिष्यते.
मोदिष्यते, वर्धिष्यते.
Yes. Next, Shivanand ji.
मैं धन पाऊंगा, पढ़ूंगा और आनंद करूंगा. अहम धनम लप्स्यते.
लप्स्ये.
लप्स्यते.
अहम
लप्स्यते. ओके. अहम धनम लप्स्ये. देन पढ़ूंगा.
पठिष्यामि.
That is okay. पठिष्यामि. आनंद करूंगा. रमण.
Ram is the dhatu. Which lakara should come?
Lut lakara.
What is the form for lut lakara?
Form for lut lakara.
Ramsye.
Ramasye.
Not Ramasye, Ramsye. Ramsye.
Ramsye.
Can you repeat the Vakya?
Adi plus ye is Adiye is correct.
Yes.
अहम धनम लभस्य पठिष्यामि.
What is the aham dhanam?
लभस्य.
Not labasye, lapsye.
Sorry. अहम धनम लभस्य. Ramasya, last one. This one, Patish.
Patishyami. Or if we take
Patishyami.
e dhatu, if we take
Ma?
e dhatu, adhyeshyam.
Adhyeshyami. Okay. Voice is breaking, Amma.
Ramsye. Next one is ramsye cha.
Yeah. That one, Padunga, that one, voice got broken. Can you please repeat that one?
Patishyami or adhyeshyami.
Adhyeshyami.
Yes.
Okay.
The adhi dhatu, won't it be atmanepadi? So adhyeshya, it says. Adhyeshye.
Sorry, adhyeshyami is adadigana dhatu. Whereas e adhyeshye. Adhyeshye is the lut lakara. Yes. Next. Uma amma.
Yes. इन छात्रों में एकता है. ये एक प्रकार से ही सब कार्य करते हैं. इन छात्रों, इन छात्रेषु एकता अस्ति. How do you say in?
Eteshu.
एतेषु, right? एतेषु छात्रेषु एकता अस्ति. ते एकविधः सर्वं कार्यं करिष्यन्ते. करिष्यन्ति. It's not Atmanepadi, it is.
Kru is Parasmepadi.
Okay.
For ye, what did you say?
I said they, that I don't think that is correct. Plural Bahuvachanam of Saha.
Can you repeat the Vakya eteshu chatreshu from there?
एतेषु छात्रेषु एकता अस्ति. I said for ye, I said te. I don't know if that's correct. Bahuvachanam of Saha.
So ye is etaha.
Etaha. Okay. एताः एकविधः
Mm.
सर्वं कार्यं करिष्यन्ति.
Karishyanti. Yes. Next. Next one, Upendra ji.
एक स्थान पर एक बार मैं अकेला एकांत में बैठा था। वहां एक ओर से एक सिंह आ पहुंचा। एक स्थान पर सप्तमी विभक्ति एक स्थान एक स्थाने स्थाने एकस्मिन् स्थाने एक बार वन टाइम एकदा एक वारम और एकदा मैं अहम अकेला अकेला पर अकेला व्हाट शब्द अम्मा अकेला
Akela.
एका एकाकी एकाकिन शब्द अकेला एकाकिन इस विशेषण शब्द विशेषण एकदा एकाकिन एकाकिन एकांत एकाकिन एक मैं एकाकिन शब्द एकांत में सप्तमी विभक्ति एकाकिन एकाकिन इस which ending amma idi nakaranta how to decline it because here we have to bring saptami vibhakti no ekant mein
Nakaranta pullinga.
फिर सप्तमी विभक्ति
Ekakini.
एकाकिनी
Ekakini.
हम एकाकिनी बैठा था अनज्जितना भूतकाल लंग लकार अतिष्ठम बैठा था हम एकाकिनी अतिष्ठम वहाँ तत्र एक ओर से
Ekatah.
तत्र एकतः एक ओर से एकतः वहाँ एक ओर से एक सिंह आ पहुंचा एकः सिंहः आ पहुंचा था we have to take tha because he is narrating the past tense no narrating his story so agachat आ पहुंचा आया
Agachat.
आया आगच्छत
Atra agachat.
दीर्घ will be there amma
Yes, yes. Agachat will be lang lakara of gam dhatu. Is to go. Apahuncha is to come. So agachat.
अच्छा हाँ ओके because gam dhatu upasarga is agam means to come no so dirgha agachat एकस्मिन् स्थाने एकदा एकवारं वा अहम् एकाकिन् अतिष्ठन् तत्र एकतः
एकाकिनी
एकाकिनी अतिष्ठम् तत्र एकतः एकः सिंहः आगच्छत्
tatra. After tatra, what is the word? एकतः तत्र आगच्छत्. Okay.
एकतः तत्र
Yes.
एकतः you said amma
Yes. Ekatah, from one side.
हाँ एक ओर से एकतः you said
Yes.
प्रियो
Okay. Next one.
Had a question.
Yes, please.
Kru dhatu, when I looked it up, it said it is ubhayapadi. So when do we use parasmay padi and when do we use atmanepadi?
Parasmaipadi, we will use, there are 2-3 niyamas when to use Parasmaipadi, when to use Atmanepadi. One niyama I will tell for now. Tomorrow I will explain the other sutras. Actually, I mentioned earlier I will explain, but I forgot. For example, I am making some food. I am preparing some food. If I prepare that food for my sake, then I have to use Atmanepadi. If I am cooking for somebody else, then I have to use Parasmaipadi. So this is one niyama. This is what in general everybody is following in basic Sanskrit. But there are some sutras for this. This is not in all cases. This is only few cases. I will make those sutras and vrittis and explain tomorrow.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, any other doubt? Okay. Ach plus antaha. What is the sandhi there?
Will it be with that
Ajanta.
sutra Jhala?
Jhalam jashonte ajantaha.
Yes. Jhalam jashonte ajantaha. Next one. Prabhaji. हाँ इगन्तः. हाँ नेक्स्ट प्रभाजी.
दिगम्बरः.
हाँ शिवानंद जी.
वागीशः.
हाँ उपेंद्र जी.
दिक् दिक् प्लस ईशः का के स्थान पर మా ఇది గా వస్తుందా?
yes.
दिगीशः. दिगीशः.
हाँ नेक्स्ट प्रभाजी.
सदा प्लस सत् प्लस आचारः will become सदाचारः.
शिवानंद जी.
सत् प्लस उपदेशः सदोपदेशः. सत् प्लस उपदेशः सदोपदेशः.
how सदोपदेशः?
U is there. O means O.
why you become O?
सत् प्लस उपदेशः
तकार
सदु
the sad upadeshah. Now dakara plus ukara, if we mix two letters together, what will happen? Halant dakara and ukara.
Halant
dakara
nukara.
ukara. What will happen here? The plus U.
Will it remain just U? Sadupash upadeshah?
Yes. Sadhu. See, we have to remember these things. If we are not doing anything, ka plus becomes what?
Ga.
Ga. Why ga? Just I'm just saying this much only, not going into sandhis and all. Ka plus a. Ka. Same way, ka plus a. Ka. Ka plus e. Ki. Same way, the plus u becomes do. This we have to remember all the times, because in Sanskrit, consonants means this. Ka is consonant and we have to add vowel. Okay. Next, Shat Darshanam. Anyone can say?
Shad Darshanam.
Dakara change into Dakara. Ut Deshyam.
Uddeshyam.
Yes, uddeshyam. Uddeshyam, both are alpa prana. Okay, we'll see in next class. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.